Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 every minute watching videos, and this is available worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online, and for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And as soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now without further ado, let me hop over here to this site so I can show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Rapid Workers. So what you're going to be doing on here is watching the videos and making money from it. But they also have other tasks you can do to make even more money. So I have an account with them. So what I'm going to do is log in and show you around and show you what you have to do to watch the videos. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So as you can see here are a lot of tasks you can do. So right here they have one thing you can do for YouTube. But what you want to do is click right here where it says job name and just put in YouTube. Everything that has to do with YouTube is popping up. So all you want to do is look for YouTube watch, like, share, comments. And as you can see here, this is international, so this is available worldwide. Now, don't get discouraged about the amount of money you're going to make, which right here is 6 cents for 10 minutes. You're going to find a lot of videos you can watch where it's going to be a little bit more than 6 cents or maybe a little bit less. But as you can see here, they got another one, 18 cents. See, they got another one, 11 cents. And as you see, some of them are like 3 minutes long, 1 minute long. And you'll make that money real quick, guys. And it's going to add up. Once you finish your task, it's going to show up right here where it says tasks I finished. I haven't done anything, so it's not showing anything right now, but yours is show here. And then let me show you how you withdraw your money. You're going to click right here where it says withdraw. It's going to take you right here. Make sure you read and follow these instructions. Now to withdraw, you need to have at least $8, and you're going to get that in no time. After you watch some videos, it's going to add up and you'll be able to withdraw $8, or if you want to just keep going and withdraw until you get to $10, $20 is up to you. Now, you need to have a PayPal account. So it says right here, we only do PayPal, so you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's easy to sign up. Just go to paypal.com, free to sign up. Takes a couple of minutes. Now, you need to follow these instructions. So for withdraw, send to admin@rapidworkers.com. Make sure you send your email that you have on this site and your PayPal email. And they're going to send you the money within 24 to 48 hours. That's pretty fast, guys. Pretty fast. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to show you. So to get started, all you have to do is just go to rapidworkers.com, sign up, start watching videos and getting paid. Now, I have another site that's similar to this one I want to show you. So I'm going to go to that site right now. Okay guys, I'm at the next website. And the name of this website is Micro Workers. So work and earn or offer a micro job. So we're going to come here and work and earn. So all you got to do is just register right here. Free to register. And now I have an account with this website also. So I'll go ahead and log in, but I'm not going to show you everything in here. I don't want to make this video too long. So let me go ahead and log in and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've logged into my account. So this is how it looks inside. Similar to Rapid Workers, as you can see. And here are all the jobs right here. Now their payout is a little bit more. As you can see here, $1.02, $1.05, 42 cents. So if you just don't want to watch videos, you can do other things that's real easy, simple to do, and you'll get $1. Now if you just look at YouTube videos, just click right here where it says video music sharing, and as you can see here, YouTube pop up right here. They're paying 40 cents. Right here, paying 12 cents. And you know, everything is about 20 to 30 to 40 cents that they're going to pay out. Alright, so that's all I'm going to say about this website here. So to get started on this one, go to microworkers.com. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And help me to get at least 20 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about either one of these websites. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope I brought some value to you guys today. And please help this channel to grow. Let's get to 8,000 so I can get this money away. Alright, that's it guys. I'm out of here. And please get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.